Hi guys, so welcome on our day 4, and for today we are going on the happiest place on earth.
MUS.
Ba't mirror? Breakfast. Yan.
Ikaw din.
Sharon. So, ito ang aking breakfast. Pancake. And si kuya, ganun din yata. Same. Then, ito, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Then, ito, punta na kami sa train station. Ito na nga, kakababa lang namin ng train. Tapos ito, sasakay na naman kami ng isa pang train. But this time guys is iba yung itsura niya physically. Kasi may mga Mickey Mouse designs. So ito na yung papunta ng Disneyland. Ayan, kakababa na nga kami niyan. Tapos pag akyat mo, yan na yung arc. The famous, infamous arc. So this time kailangan ulit ng octopus card para makapasok ka, parang yung dun sa train station din. Kaya you should always keep them and wag mo silang walain. We're gonna go now inside. Hi guys, so dito na kami. Papasok na kami. Ayun, may fountain. Sa harap ito.
Nasa BGC ka lang eh.
Ito na yung fountain. Yan, ayan na si Mickey. Nakapasok na kami. Hi guys. Tapos na ang x-ray. Ngayon, tickets naman daw. Oh my God. This is really is Disneyland.
11:44. Bali ang kayo.
Grabe guys, ang dami. Ang daming pwedeng picturean. Ang daming pwedeng picturean talaga.
Are you ready? Dreamers, believers, party people, everyone! In just a few minutes. It's the most magical party of life.
Let's give it up for our hosts, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse!
我好興奮，可以為呢個慶祝活動見到序幕啊！歡迎大家嚟參加呢個 party 啊！
我哋最鍾意嘅朋友都嚟咗啊！
Oh, wow.
Saan papunta sa ano?
Uy, carousel.
Third Adam. Kapag sa mga dyan.
Ayan, ang daming rides, oh. Carousel. Likod ng castle. Falls. Alright, so itong part na to, papasok na kami sa World of Frozen or Frozen Ever After. Ito na. Hindi yan.
Yung bahay ni ano? Pare, Joanne.
So, ito ang aming first ride dito sa Disneyland. Ito yung unang-una. Oh! Ayun pala. Boat ka lang. Oops. Ay, basa.
Basa lang.
It's wet. Oh my goodness. Ito na. Maandam na kami. Lumalayag na.
Hindi ko alam kung masusuka ako. Ang dilim.
Grabe.
Ay, ano ba?
Ito na. Ah. Ayun na guys.
Oh my God!
Woo.
Summer snow for spending me and you. Đi tới hai cái on xa cái binh siêu ngọn gốc nhổ thôi. Xin tặng tôi hạnh như để chạy đi.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and fond of Frozen heart.
And now they're best friends.
Indeed.
We're going up. Oh my gosh. Hello guys, paangat naman. Hi Elsa.
To share what I can do to test the limits and make moves. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go.
Oh my gosh. Ah, okay. Oh. Pausok. Okay na nga guys, so this is the grandest part na already because ito na yung trap. Oh my goodness! Ayan na. Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh! What the freak? Woo! Grabe, speechless. What just happened, bro?
Ba't ako pumayag doon?
Oh, the sky will be blue.
Ang lack.
And you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boom. The hot and the cold are also intense.
Jordan. Yun tayo guys. Ayun. Ninig na ninig. Tapos na kami.
Mastercard po meron.
So ito, paglabas mo, ang dami nilang tinda here. May store sila. Ayan, daming merch. At time na para makita nyo ang aming pagmumuka. Takot na takot. So this time naman, nung nakalabas na kami, medyo nakaramdam na ako ng gutom. So we bought some ice cream na Mickey Mouse shape. Ayan. And guys, ayun, masarap siya. Ayan, may milky and chocolate. Parang Magnum lang. So, next naman naming pinuntahan is It's a Small World. Ayan. Parang Squid Game. Oo nga, yun na may shapes. So, yung parang sa ano lang din siya, sa Frozen Ever After kasi may boat din. Pero this time it's calm lang at walang drop.
护好您的小孩，谢谢。為咗你嘅安全着想，請你全程保持喺座位度，將手、手臂同埋腳保持喺船裡面，同埋請你看管你嘅小朋友。多謝合作。For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat.
Wow. So in this part, nakalabas na nga kami, tapos daming ride. Naghanap na lang kami ng magkakainan kasi lunchtime na to. Hi guys! So lunch na kami. Dito kami sa Tomorrowland. So ano sila, burger fries, wedges, yan, chicken, may fillet, yan po yung order namin. Kainan muna bago magtuloy. Okay, sunod naman namin pinuntahan. Ito is yung kay Iron Man.
無時無刻都會接收到得到泛濫嘅資訊，有啲的確係好重要，但係好多其實冇咩意義。
Eh, yun nga guys, ito, marami silang mga, ayan, figures, marami silang, ayan, yung pinapakita. Then, ito na nga yung exciting part, ayan, papasok kami ng sinihan. So, ito nga pala yung yung gumagalaw yung upuan, tapos sa harap may malaking screen, tapos parang VR siya guys, parang spaceship ang genre niya, tapos parang kami yung magsisave sa buong Hong Kong, ganon. Kasama namin si Iron Man. Yan. Pero hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi shaky at hindi kami pinayagan. So, ayan, konting pasilip na lang. At next naman, after nun is kay Ant-Man. Ayan. Siguro naman guys, hindi na kailangan ng context dahil kitang-kita naman na may mga Armalite. Ayan, lalaki 'di ba? So, Yes, barilan to, which is makes it more exciting. Ayun yung mga pistol. Ayan, nandun sa harap. E di ayun, 'di ba, same as dun sa Frozen Ever After kanina na marami silang merch at mga benta. Ayun, oo, naka-display sa store. Ito din, marami rin silang mga yan, mga toys, t-shirts, kung ano-ano pa, yan. We're in Adventureland. We're now So, after we took some pictures, eto, pumunta na kami sa Festival of the Lion King.
The stars have arrived. Now the show can really start, huh?
Oh, Timon, look at all these people.
I should have had my fur clean.
Hey guys, quit monkeying around.
So, after naman kay Lion King, meron silang parade dito sa labas ng Disneyland. So, we all see nearly all of the characters of Disney. So, here are they, the Disney princesses. So, dito naman sa part na to is pinuntahan naman namin yung roller coaster. Ayan. Pero hindi na kami nakasakay kasi ayan o. Ayan na nga, so it's almost nighttime and we are waiting for the most exciting part of our Disneyland experience.
Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again. With candy canes and silver lanes come. It's been in your eyes. All the dreams are coming true tonight. It's Christmas Eve and we can see we're in love. Peace on earth and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. Today each moment and live, each moment in peace eternally. The night is a magic dance, it's in the light to wish you well and over here. Enjoy your cause with Christmas cheer. Hear our voices fill the air. Seems like the winds is blown away, and so our hearts we all will share. The love that comes with Christmas Day, the love that comes with Christmas Day, the Christmas bells will ring.
That was amazing! Happy holidays, everyone!
Thank you for joining us, Santa Goofy.
We hope all of your wishes come true!
And from Santa Goofy and all of us, please enjoy the rest of the party here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Sa snow. Kita nyo ba yung snowy? Yan. Daming snowflakes, oh. Yan.
May sabon ka mo.
Ayan.
Dalawang tenga.
Hi guys, after a long day here in Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Nakakain na kami, dinner. Yan. So, eto. Sulit ng pagod. May sabay pasabaw. Malamig din kasi dito ngayon guys eh. So guys, nakita nyo nga naman yon yung drone show tsaka Christmas lighting. Ayun, napakaganda and nakakaiyak, nakaka-touch. So ayun, kakatapos lang. Then ito na po ang dinner namin. Night view guys.
Thank you so much. Ito na lang sa'yo.
Thank you, Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay, balik na ulit kami sa hotel. And that's the boot camp. Hi guys, so kababalik lang po namin dito sa kwarto. Tignan nyo naman po ang gulo ng buhok ko dahil sa bonnet. Pero yun guys, we made it. Kahit mahabang nilakad namin is enjoy at sulit ang Hong Kong Disneyland. Kaya sa uulitin na lang. So yun lang, natatapos ang aming vlog. See you na lang sa part 5 tomorrow.